Welcome once again. Today we are going to talk about how to delete row or to insert row, to delete column or to insert column. Now example, take a look at this row that has green, right? I want to delete it. So what do you think I will do? I will click on this, right? As you can see it here, I'll click on this, I'll right click, I'll move straight to delete. When I click on this, now they will ask me shift cell up, but what I want to do is to delete that row. I will now click on this, I will click OK. As you can see, that row has deleted completely. If I want to restore that row, I will press Ctrl Z, right? So as you can see, that Williams Brownie have already appeared. Now if I want to insert, let's say for instance I want to put another person's name in that number 3, I want to insert row, I will still come here and right click, I'll move straight to insert. Look at insert here. I will now still click on insert row, and as you can see, I will press OK. So in this particular point, see something have appeared here, right? I will now write. Do you understand? Now let's say for instance, since I put this place with character, you can see it from that very particular point. Okay, I will now press Ctrl Z. Now if I want to put column, right, or to remove column, let's say this is column for average, I will press on this, I will right click, I will now come to this delete. Now they will ask me, is it row or column? So what I want to delete is column. I'll come here, I'll click OK. As you can see, the column for average is gone. There is no column for average again. Now if I want to restore it, I will press Ctrl Z. Wow, the average is already there. Now in case if I want to put another column, which I will put something like let's say remark, something like that, I will still come here, I will right click. When I right click, I will move straight to insert, right? Now I will move straight to column, I will press OK. So as you can see, this is another column have appeared, which I will now write. Maybe let's say if I want to write something blah blah blah. Wow, so that's just it. But if I want to remove this, what do you think I will do? I will press Ctrl Z. So if I press Ctrl Z, wow, the thing will vanish. So that is it. So please, if you find this lesson interesting, please don't forget to share to your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. Thank you so much.